Hey friends, welcome back into this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. In this video today I'm going to be working with you guys, showing you how to deal with OneNote, importing up a OneNote, your database, complete database, and extracting it from a PHP admin and maybe backing it up and then uploading it back to the page or to your system. I'm going to just give you a scenario on this system of mine, and on the other way around, guys, if you not yet happen to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please, you guys, just kind of request you, just go to my page and give me a like, support me by you liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel, so that I can get a chance to actually provide to you all what maybe is needed for you guys to to understand how these things move. Now it's going to be a short video, I'm not going to take a lot of time, so otherwise I'm going to be in a position to show you how those things are done. Now on the other way around, I'm just going to be working with you on some few things around, so that I can let you know how things are done within here. So I have this system. This is employee management system. I'm just going to log off so that I can let you know how the system works up. I'm just going to use another system. I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to use this one because I know it's also going to log me off within a short period of time. It's going to log me off from it because I've already logged in from the same browser. So that's it. Now I have this system here. The same thing with this one. Also, when I refresh, it will log me off because I'm using the same browser and I'm offline, so it has to do the same thing. Now I just want to show you here. This is our database, and this is the database I'm using. Now this database of mine, I may say I want to back it up. I want to, I give assumption I'm going to be in a position to sell my system or to give someone, a client, my system. So it implies my system has already got database, and that database is already having backup on it. So what do? You need to get a plan on how this database of ours can easily be in a position to be translated or to be taken up by a client. So this is it. I have to show you this demo very fast. Inside my PC here I have my file, and that system is called this is my system, and this is my database. Let me just remove that off. I'm removing it off because that's where I'm going to put our database. Let me go to my download page. I remove off this employee system, blah blah. I can also remove this employee because I don't need it, and I try to look for if I also have okay, now I don't have any database now, as you can see. All of these databases I'm going to move them off, okay, because I don't going to use them. Now this is the database, and this is one known as fees management system, and underneath this fees management system we want to back up this application. So what I do, I just simply go to export. So when you click on export, please members, don't again go and change or do whatever here. Just leave everything as it is. Just make sure here is picking as SQL. You can pick it as XML, but it's going to take a lot of process on coding. You can also pick it as CSV or CodeGen or JSON. It's also good. Microsoft Word PDF is good. PHP array is good, but the challenge is going to be you who's going to be doing that, you may fail to know how the technique. You need at least another program language like PHP mainly to deal with how to generate up this start or information, or one as maybe or Python or whatever. But I'd advise you to just leave it as SQL standard, as structured query language. Then so what you're going to do next, just click on go. So when you click on go, this is the database. So underneath this database, you can go on into your files, into your downloads here. You should find that database here. Some won't just cut that database, and you can simply take it to your file, or where your file are, or where you happen to get the file. And this is the file underneath here. So when you're going to sell the system, or when you're going to give the client your system, you tell him that you go to the file called DB, and inside DB there's going to be a database. Now that implies at the moment now that step is done. Now here comes our client. What does the client want? You have given the client the system. The client is maybe in USA. The client maybe is in Dubai, but it doesn't know how to upload the file backed up database into PHP admin, or into MySQL database server, into xampp server, into wampp server, or into the server. You get into the online server. Like for instance, this is a system. This is an online system, like you can see, for my client. and you guys maybe who may be interested to utilize this system, you can easily go and use it. Just go to Roa. It's a very good application that I designed for them. You can actually go and use it. Now this system has got database, it has got application in it, you get. Now this system has got a part where people register. Now it implies in a simple term, if I'm to log into this system, I need to access it. Maybe if that's the case, I need to access it maybe and maybe I give or it gives a chance for people to do something with it. Now if that's the case, it implies in simple terms there should be a database somewhere which may be trying to give a chance for this data to be seen. That maybe someone can go there and click there and maybe to view PDF, already PDF. Now that means in that scenario, that implies there should be a database. Now let me go here. To do that, what you just need to do is this. You have to be very careful. You go to new, click on new. If at all you don't have that database name already there, just click on new. After clicking on here new, come here to where they say database name. Now please just go to your DB inside this file. DB, go there, right click here and say rename. After saying rename, just copy that very name like that. After copying that name, just go to here and paste. Please members, just click go, click create. When you click create, a database will be created and you'll be seeing it in this name called fees management system. It will matter, and no matter which database you're trying to use from there, but that's the process. So after doing that, what next you are going to do or have to do, you may not happen to see files like this, like mine has tables inside. What you will do, you just go to one known as import. Remember, you are importing up the new files, you get. So when you just say import after creating a database, go there and just go inside this download of ours, or inside the file you have just created, the one you have got inside the system. It's the file. Just double click there, and when you click here that go, you should find that file coming in with all the files you have seen here, just like this. So that's the simple way how you happen to get one known as MySQL database which has been backed up and putting it back into your PHP admin or using MySQL. So that's a simple scenario, but I'll show you in the next video on how to really play around and use PHP to travel and get all those information in the format of an array. So otherwise guys, stay safe. If you find this video interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please share my video to your friends, let them like the video, and actually, you know what, if this video you can find, if you want to support me in any other way, you can also comment down below and let me know. Guys, thank you for watching. Love you all. Thank you. Make sure stay safe, and we need to see you next time. Thank you.